Imagine you go into a store with $10 in hand and you want to buy a chocolate. Now the cost of the chocolate that you read is $7.5. Now what is the 7.5? Why is it just not $7 and why it's just not $8? What is 7.5 and what is this point? So today in this video you will be understanding what are decimals and why they exist and why do we use decimals in our daily life. Let's begin. Now think about this. You got one whole pizza and you ate the entire pizza. That means you ate one whole pizza. But if you did not eat the complete pizza and you just ate half of the pizza, then is it 0 or is it 1? No, it is somewhere in between. So when we talk about numbers that are in between 0 and 1 or in between two whole numbers, they can be represented as decimals. And yes, you must be thinking that we can do that in terms of fractions also. That is right. 2.5 and 2.5. They are representation of the same amount. For example, if I write 1 or if I write 1, they are just the same ways to represent 1. One is a numeric way and another one is in the word form. Now similarly, this is the fraction form of representing a number or an amount that lies in between two whole numbers, and this is the decimal representation of showing an amount between two whole numbers. A decimal is simply a way of writing a number that is in between 0 or 1, or it lies in between two whole numbers, and the dot which you see is the decimal point. Everything you see before the decimal points represents the whole number, and everything that you see after the decimal point represents part of the whole. So petrol prices, electricity bill, temperatures, milk quantities, there's so many things in real life which we use in decimals. Now another question which might arise is that why don't we use fractions instead? Because decimals are way too easier to add, subtract, multiply, divide than fractions. And banks, businesses, computers, shopkeepers all use decimals in their everyday life. So the fractions and decimals represent the same idea. It's just that the decimals are way too much easier to use than fractions. This decimal point separates the whole number from the fractional part. This is representing 5 whole and 75 parts out of 100. That's it in this video about what are decimals. See you in the next video about the place values of decimals. Wish you the best.